Welcome back to Tom's Wacky Hair Adventures. This was not supposed to be, what do you say? It's not supposed to stay. So I'm going to try and give it like a color. I don't have hair dye. I have something that is used to give the color vibrance, to make it alive again. Once you've dyed it and like washed it a couple times, it washes out, you know? That is not actual hair dye, that's just, yeah, what I just said. To make it come back to life. The revolution, this shit, it's stupid. It washes out after like 2 times, but we're gonna try it. And we're gonna not stain our hands or clothes, so hopefully. I'm gonna put on other clothes, be right back. We are back. We're also gonna take that out because that's a bad idea. And also take this off. And we are ugly. But we were all along, so. Also, if you have watched the vlog of bleaching my hair, you will know that went super. If you did not, there will be a pop-up right there. Should be right now, if I didn't forget it. And then there is the story of this t-shirt. Now this t-shirt by Jaden Animations, the lovely Jaden Animations. Of course she didn't personally send it to me, I just bought it. But like, yeah. Let me just, can I flip this? No. Okay, so. This dumb bitch forgot to take this off. I put a different t-shirt on top of it. But yeah. Now this bitch is half pink. Also, it has been in the washing. I'm not that kind of person that wears the same t-shirt for like weeks. It's just my mom's quick with washing. So I'm gonna section my hair. That's what it's called, right? And then we're gonna be right back. Realized wearing gloves with hair, that hurts. So like, I'm gonna take these off first. For your information, I don't know why I told you that. We are back, looking beautiful as ever. Rocking a side ponytail and having all the bleached hair here. Ah, there we go. A lot better. I don't know if I should have washed it beforehand. I know that for dye you shouldn't. I believe for this you should. I just kind of not wash it because fuck that. Might need to wet it though. I'm gonna look through this instruction and then be right back. This is my station, by the way. Just so you know. My glasses are over there. I put my phone right there just now. Probably get wet. Also, I don't need any more gloves. I have them right here. So, I'm gonna let this shampoo be in there for like, what, a couple more seconds? Minutes? I don't know. And then rinse that out, not use conditioner because I'm gonna follow the instructions. This was also a pH neutral shampoo. I have chemistry, but I don't know what that is in English, so I'm not gonna explain that to you. Anyway, you'll see me with rinsed out hair in a second. As I predicted, a whole lot less volume. Okay, so we're looking a whole lot less voluminous. That's fine. I can't. Why I can't? Yeah, I cannot. I just can't. But anyway, I'm gonna now try to apply stuff. This stuff. Directions. Look at it. Okay. I'm gonna apply that stuff, and how weird that may seem, I want it to like stain or something. I wanted to do something cool. Because last time I had blue hair, it turned green. I'm for some reason kind of hoping for that to happen again. Because that would be cool to have green hair. And this will give me like a kind of base for the green hair, I suppose. Question mark, I don't know. God, Lord Jesus, help me. And we are dipping in. Oh fuck, I took off my gloves. fun. Okay, I'm just gonna whoop, because fuck everyone and everything. Oh yeah, she's becoming blue. She is becoming blue. You don't see it on camera. Oh, she's becoming blue. Now let's hope that doesn't wash out, and let's hope no blue on my fingers yet. I'm gonna put on gloves now. The one screaming that I should protect my skin. Do you think I care? Do I seem like the person that would care about anything, let's be real? And no, I would not care. And I have also discovered that you can like wash off this stuff with shampoo. So that's easy enough. Just rub it on and just rinse it off and boom, it's gone. Somewhat. And I have to work for 10 hours tomorrow, so behind a checkout probably. Don't know what they're gonna make me do, but probably check out. So if this is gonna look terrible, tomorrow's gonna be a whole lot of fun. Now I need 2 hands for this because I feel stuck, so see you when it's all applied, I suppose. Bye. The natural lighting, which is this, you can actually see it pretty well. It's cool. I did miss stuff in the back, as you know, but like, that's fine. Right. Hope so. So, there you go. It's in. It's not as you can see it's not as dark. As the hair is not as light as it used to be. You can't see it's blue. You can see it's blue. Here's my head. I said I didn't rub anything on my face prior to this, so yeah, that might stain. Okay, now 20 minutes of waiting. You kind of see it's blue, right? And you can also see that on the back. I can't. On the back, I don't think. Oh no, she is not delightful in the back. But I'm like that. I'm chaos, so let's roll with it. Also, there is a mess. There's blue all over the bathroom. You have stuff to get that off. I've done this before, so I've had half blue, half purple hair before. So we should be fine. See you in, what, 20 minutes? 30 seconds left on the timer, but fuck that. I'm not gonna wait another 30 seconds. I already put like 5 minutes more on the clock than I should have. My face is completely blue. Oh, that's not really completely blue. There are the gloves, also completely blue. You see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? Magnificent. Okay. I'm gonna rinse my hair now. And we're gonna hope everything's gonna be okay. Bye. Okay, so she is rinsed. She is not showing up. Okay. Unless, of course, water all over. Okay. There she is. Is that right? There's definitely something there. Oh, I can see it. The camera cannot. Apparently. That is stupid. Oh, yep, there she is. There she is. She looks a whole lot better in real life. Let's be real, she does. So, I'm just gonna hope this is gonna work out. And while we dry it, because normally then my hair gets lighter. So let's try that. We're again in the somewhat natural light. She showed up, as you can see, in some spaces. Like, if I just whack my hair the other way, this part of my hair is still my ugly brown color, but also I haven't tried putting it in a ponytail yet. But like, she's here, you know? She showed up. She came to party for a little while before I wash my hair because it's probably gonna get out again. And it's probably yellow again. And then we're gonna go for a back view. Cool. I hope that's good enough. That's about as good as you're gonna get it. because I'm not gonna be able to film it from the back. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed, and when I actually get my hair dyed, I suppose I will update you again. And this has been Tom's vlog. Peace out.
I wonder how Big is doing.